It is currently 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm house sitting. So I'm gonna go drop the dog at my parents' house. Come on, Tim. Alright, I'm on my way to Josie's house now. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. And it's Josie's birthday. I got I don't know if you can see, I got a cake. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I'm so excited. Oh my god!
Whoa!
Whoa! This lady's been hoolering too much. She lost her skirt.
This is the most of them. This is the one.
Race car.
You guys are like
Isn't that so cute?
together. Today, I got my proper camera. Sorry, can you stop filming me? Can you stop? Like...
Excited, Sean.
I'm very excited.
Yay.
Let's go.
Whoa.
Does this make you want to do shit to your car or what?
Proud of him.
Yeah, because look how much thread there is.
Your second run?
Yeah, it's good. It's getting dry, so it's nice, but I'm also going to use a lot of tire. And
Excuse me, I know
there
I'm
we go.
famous. Can you guys stop filming me, please? Like, these guys just keep
What's
Stop
that guy
following us, bro.
Yeah.
Can you delete that, please?
Oh! Yeah! Oh, incredible. Go to there. Oh no. Oh my god, I'm so Let's go back. Little interior tour. Stunning. Wow.
Yours are clean now, bro.
What happened? He just...
No, I managed one, and then I kept it long, and I just planted it, and it just and I was like, oh
I
fuck.
mean, you could have done it on your wheels. No.
You haven't visited the beach this time?
But I am due for a visit.
It's quite cold. It might be quite nice there.
I would like not to, because I want to drive home. But we'll just have to see.
Went to the beach. Boom, scup, boom, straight into the fucking
Now let's look at his bumper really quick.
Hold on, mate. Go on. What do you think?
once again been dead a lot of the day, but everyone's been doing really well currently in Jazzy car. Very tired. It's honestly been a good day apart from the fucking rain. There's been so much rain.
Instead of like a patio, it's on the other side, right? So it's like Americans typically call it a porch. Yeah, and then what was that thing attached with two pieces of
Rope. String.
Yeah, what was that thing called from the playground?
Hey, that's a lot of gesture, buddy. That's a big gesture.
Oh, it's in my head.
A porch rope. Fuck. Oh, you're fucking slow. What the fuck?
He's lights on me because I don't seem to fucking know.
Swing. It's porch swing.
What the fuck is it?
Julio is about to perform a stunt.
What the fuck?
Please don't eat shit.
Yeah, I mean, I'm already impressed.
Oh, fuck off.
Oh. They're really scary. It was a it's in the movie It. It's the main character in no It. In the movie It. They wear a hat. There was a season where they were trying to kill people. They were like the killer It.
Oh, I clown.
Yeah. Oh god.
You use it when you're sewing to hold your fabric down.
Fucking push bike.
You put it through the fabric. You like thread it. Yeah. The first one, yeah.
Alright, you chew with these. Gum. No, you chew with these. They're in your mouth. Yeah, like singular. Teeth. Singular.
The driver is here.
Oh my god.
Yum.
There's different ones.
Again, say hi.
Hi vlog. I'm feeding
You're
the
my sugar
masses.
mommy too.
Oh god. I'm gonna get an old ironing board.
What are you out?
No.
I'm gonna say Earth.
That's very big.
No. Think about it. Think about it.
I already know it's gonna be
Should we guess now?
Fucking kids.
I'm trying.
I'm gonna say Donald Trump.
On. And then say it didn't get delivered.
I landed straight on my home.
Guys, I just got this. My vlogs are about to expedite. Why is everyone leaving?
Bro, Ella got mad attention on the way here. She had, what did you have on the left of you?
A WRX.
Yeah, they were like revving, smiling, and then on the right it was like this view, and they were like filming, and then me and Ella hit them with the oh yeah! People in the group in it, so then we can watch it together.
Exactly. My old car is coming back. The NC is en route. Yay! Like straight? Alright, it is 6:28 in the morning and Molly and I just got ready. Hey! And I just packed up the house that I'm house sitting. And I'm gonna feed all the animals and we're off on an adventure. Wow! Oh no! Trouble has arrived. Alright, half of us are here. Woo! We're waiting for the others and it's they're all 5 minutes late right now. They're gonna be even later.
Can we support the Miata guys?
You want to do a shout out? Shout out to Miata.
At least they're real.
I think it's big city.
That they are allowed from here.
But setting the box right, I don't want
I don't want to fucking play anymore. I fucking like this game. Fuck you. Stop fucking filming me.
Got a little POV. What's going on up there?
Oh, everything's going on. Look at that.
Oh, damn.
Oh, there's a shot.
Got the drone.
That is a shot. I love the shot. It's not working. I can't hear it. We need a megaphone.
You might need to buy yourself.
We tried.
Yeah, we tried. They hate us. There's sheep shit out here, so how does that work?
Alright, we're off to go and switch cars, and then we're going to go and buy the chimney. I'm so excited. I'm scared. It's gonna be very exciting though.
I'm gonna have those keys so.
I'm gonna be a chimney owner.
Holy shit. We'll see you soon.
Alright, we are off
vlog it? I need to get a
to go and get the chimney. Wow, your camera is so much better than mine.
Can you wait until they get a haircut?
Damn.
Whoa.
Whoa. Which one's which?
Does he?
Honey, put your hijab on, please. Yeah, no, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good, yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, that sounds good. Yeah.
Are you ready to drive it?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. What?
Oh, yeah, it's nice. Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh, this suits you. Damn, this suits you, Ella. Fuck yeah, of course it suits me. Who's this guy following us? Where are we going?
I'm hungry.
I'm just following. Oh, look at the wheels. Yeah. It's my chimney. Trinity is coming over and we're gonna make a video of my car, the NA. I don't even say that anymore. I can just say the MX-5 because I only got one. It'll be nice to see my other MX-5 though. It's not even mine. It's not my MX-5. Okay, Chloe. And we just filmed the video and it's gonna be really cool. Look at our setup. Hey. It's insane.
TV1 News.
Literally. Using the big fuzzy microphone on top.
The boom mic.
Anyways, to be continued. You will see the video. We're off to Muriwai. Anything to say?
I like the beach.
Doesn't
I don't like the beach.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, no, you both.
Tiny camera.
I can swallow that.
Oh man.
You go a bit gentler, please.
Sorry, sir.
Don't stop.
Oh, my bug!
You're good.
Yeah!
Oh, that's sweet.
this is the one we're going to do.
Oh, yeah.
Have you got that in video? Because we're going to end up nowhere now. Because I fucking see what you're doing. Oh, we're going here.
Oh my god. This is my new car!
Go for it.
We're going.
Jesus.
So bouncy. Go, you beast.
Don't stop.
How am I just stalling it? I'm flying.
Alright, vlog update. We made it. Everyone's made it. We're out to the beach. We didn't get stuck. We didn't realise we were going on a fucking full-on
full mission.
off-roading mission.
Oh, here it goes.
But the Jimny is over there. She's here. She made it. We'll put our hair up because it's a hair up day. Oh, braids. Oh, where's your braid? I'm missing out. I'm trying. Investigation. What happened, Harry?
I got stuck in a hole.
In a hole?
Yeah.
But you made it. How did you make it?
I had to do some digging, and then some reversing, and then some low ranging, and then some right footing, and eventually I got out of the hole.
Amazing. Well, we all made it. How do you rate the not the MX-5?
MX-5?
How do you rate the Jimny?
It's a good. It's a very good.
It's Josie's first time off-roading. Do you enjoy it?
First time off-roading.
Good driving.
You did great. How about you, Josh? Did you have any doubts?
From the start. But we made it somehow. With our luck.
Oh, you're gonna do a tour?
This is my chimney. Comes factory broken.
Oh, one at a time, one at a time. There he goes. What the fuck?
Right, where is it? Let some string out. Yeah. Yeah. Hey! You're gonna kill me!
This is what it feels like to be born.
Born again.
But we were literally vertical.
What the fuck is this? Oh yeah.
You take that first.
What was that? You know, I predicted you were gonna try really hard and Kayla was gonna win, and then you were gonna be like, oh, I don't know.
She doesn't. I'm always right. I always win.
True. You're a real man, Nick.
Thank you, sir. Should be sweet.
Go, you need to gun it. Get that speed. Get that speed.
Come on, boy.
Nah, too slow.
You gotta go quick, eh?
Well, I was in fourth low last time when I made it, but then last time I was in third and it didn't go.
We were just in too high.
Yeah, we're in second.
Yeah, so go in low and just hustle it in fourth. Try and get up, like that's why I came back here. Try and get enough speed, and then just like
And just hold it. Yeah, that's better. That's better. That's better. That's better. That's better. Yes, can't.
What a beast.
I think we're going 4 low, not 4 high.
Yeah.
Hey, your fuel cap's open!
You trying to fill up, Nick? You trying to fill up? No.
Amber!
Alright, guys.
Okay, everyone's here. That was very fun. I still haven't driven yet. I haven't driven my own car on the beach, so that's alright. I might drive it back.
Can't what?
Well, it's so windy.
Shit.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck!
I don't feel safe in this motor vehicle.
I just had my first off-roading experience with Ella in the driver's seat, and
We nearly died.
we nearly died. It was alright. I just was a bit happy.
Bit of air time in there.
Bit throttle happy, eh?
It was alright. I feel like I got the hang of it at the end.
Yeah.
And it's just a bit different to driving on the street, and now I got on the street and I had to switch because I don't know how to drive on the road now. Time to wash the cars. I thought I'd do a little outro though, because I never outro my videos. I think off-roading was definitely a highlight, and seeing Josie's car drifting, because they'd been working very hard to get the car ready for that event. We're going to the beach again, which you'll see in the next video for Labour weekend. I'm sure we'll get up to lots more other stuff. Very much enjoying the Pocket 3. The vlogs are going to be even higher quality than they already are. Anyways, that is the end of the vlog. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you back for another one sometime very soon.